What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Maui from Moana 2. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw two circles for the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left, start from the very top, go all the way around, and then up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So line up the top, coming down, and then back up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So we're going to draw a smaller circle on the inside edge. Add a small circle across the top for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's add a fold across the inside of the brow. Start from the left, bend this in, and then up. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to draw the eyebrow on top of the left eye. Curving this up, and then down. Go up higher in the middle, and then back down on the inside. And we'll fill the eyebrow in black. Now we're going to raise the right eyebrow. Starting from the inside of that fold, we're going to go up higher, and then bring that down. Go back to the inside, go higher in the middle, and then out towards the point. And we'll fill the eyebrow in black. Now in between the eyes, we're going to add a curve going up for the nose, and then back down. Let's go underneath the eye, curve the nostril, going around and up. Do the same thing on the right. Then curve the bottom of the nose, coming down and up. Let's go all the way towards the side and draw in the mouth. We're going to start on the left, curve this down, across the middle, and then back up. Now let's draw on the upper lip. Let's start back on the left. We're going to curve this up in the middle, come down, and then bend that out. Let's go to the corners of the nose, bend this down, and then out towards the corners of the mouth. I'm just going to add a fold coming around the corner. Let's open up the mouth, starting on the left, this down, then up, and across the bottom, add a short curve for the lower lip. Let's go to the center of the mouth. We're going to add the teeth. Curve this down and up toward the left, the right side. Add a couple more teeth on either side. I'm going to fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth. Now let's work our way around the cheeks. Let's start from the left side, curve this around the mouth, across the middle, go up and then in towards the right. And then for the cheeks, we're just going to wave the hair coming around and up towards the top. Let's bend this down in the middle and then back up towards the right. I'm going to add one more fold underneath the eyes, going up and then out across the cheeks. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start on the left side, curve this down and then in towards the hip. Do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Now we want to fill the bottom with some leaves. Let's start on the left. We're going to go out and then down. And draw a wave, going in and then back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going down the side of the hip, coming in and then back up. And now we're going to layer the leaves across the center. Let's start in the middle, come around and then out. Draw a wave on the right side, going back up. Let's add another leaf in these two gap areas. Coming down, round up the outside, going the opposite direction on the right. Let's add a couple leaves pointing up, so smaller ones going up. Now in between each leaf, we're going to add another row. Going down and out, and then up. Let's add one more leaf in the center. And I'm going to leave a gap and draw the inside edge of the legs. Bend this out and then down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, going out towards the first toe. Let's draw the first toe. Curve this around like a C and back down. And I'm going to layer two more toes on either side. So you're just going to see the tips going all the way around. Let's go on top of the last toe, curve the foot, going up, and then bending that in. And then from the side, bend the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's go back up to the top and add that necklace. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to add a curve coming down the middle and then back up. Let's add that detail across the necklace. We're going to start right in the middle with that bone coming down and across and then back up. Let's add a small tooth coming down and then a large spearhead on the side. Let's add a couple more teeth going out towards the side. Now let's go back and add the teeth going out towards the left. Let's add another tooth pointing out towards the left. Add a curved tooth on the end. And add a few more. Now we want to draw the left arm holding that giant hook. So we're going to start from the cheek, bend the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. And it'll curl around the thumb. We're going to go down, go up, bend the thumb coming down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Add the edge of the palm coming down and in. Now let's wrap 3 fingers along the outside. Start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in. Step down, draw another oval, tucking that up underneath the thumb. And then we'll do that one more time. Let's draw the bottom of the handle, starting underneath the thumb, going down and in. Go underneath the finger, round up the bottom. Now it's going to add a rock across the bottom. Let's add a few vertical lines coming down across the rock. Step up, it's going to add some texture of rope going across the handle. Let's go to the inside of the handle. We're going to draw the palm coming in and up. Step back down, curve the arm coming in towards the side of the body. Now I want to line up the inside of the arm all the way over on the right. We're going to bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Draw a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now let's wrap 3 fingers along the bottom. Starting underneath the thumb, coming down and up around the bracket. Step down, draw on the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the outside of the arm. And then bend that in towards the side of the head. Now let's go back and draw the hair. Starting in the center, we start with a point. Then it's out and up. I'm going to draw a wave going all the way around and then down on top of the arm. Let's go back to the center, going up towards the right. And then again, just adding that wave going around and then down towards the arm. Now with the hair in place, let's go back and draw on the hook. We're going to start on top of the finger on the left. Bend this up, across, and then in towards the head. Step up. Continue that curve, go all the way around and then down. Let's add a point, coming in, bend this out, and then down towards the tip. Let's work our way around the outside of the hook, going out, up, and then in. Let's add that point. Now I'm going to follow this curve along the outside, going all the way around in behind the head. Now let's continue this along the side of the head, coming down towards the hand. Let's add some more rope texture across the top, starting from the hand, and just working our way up with a few lines. Now I'm going to go back and add some simple textures across the arm and the body. Let's start from the left wrist. So start with some simple shapes and a little bit of detail. And then just working our way in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Maui from Moana 2. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.